Hello, welcome to my channel. We will be doing question number 3 today. Okay, the first it has two parts. So the first part is easy. We are given a curve which is given by y equal tangent to x over x, right? And we need to find the derivative of it. So we need to find dy by dx. Okay, so this is easy. We will just use the quotient rule. So dy by dx is equal to lower function into derivative of the upper function, which is tangent 2x, and its derivative is going to be secant square 2x, and the derivative of 2x is 2 minus uh, upper function tangent of 2x into derivative of the lower function, which is 1, divided by square of the lower function, which is x square. Okay, let us simplify it a little bit. This is going to be 2x into secant square 2x minus tangent 2x over x square. Okay, so this is our first part. Now the second part is interesting and is a bit challenging. Um, Find the equation of the normal to the curve of this curve at the point when x is pi by 8. Okay, so if x is pi by 8, what's the value of y? Y is equal to, it's tangent 2 times x is pi by 8 over x, which is pi by 8. Okay, so this becomes 2 times 4. So pi by 4 tangent pi by 4 is 1. So 1 divided by pi by 8 is going to be 8 over pi. So it means there's a point on this curve which is given by pi by 8 and 8 by pi. So this is the point on the curve, and we need to find the equation of a line which is passing through this point and it is normal to the curve. Okay, so let's see what is the slope of the curve at this particular point. So we need to find dy by dx when x is equal to pi by 8. Okay, I hope it is clear. So what we will do in this expression, we will substitute x equal to pi by 8. So it is 2 times x is pi by 8 times secant square 2 times pi by 8 minus tangent 2 times pi by 8 over x squared, so pi by 8 square. Okay, so what will happen here? You see, pi by 8 times 2 will become pi by 4. So this is also pi by 4. And secant squared pi by 4. You see, secant pi by 4 is equal to 1 over cosine of pi by 4. And cosine of pi by 4 is 1 over under root 2. Remember? So this will become 2 under root. And when we make the square of the secant square pi by 4, it will become 2 only. So we have multiplied by 2 and minus tangent of pi by 4 is 1 and divided by, this is going to be pi square by 64. Okay, so let's simplify it a little bit. This is going to be pi by 2 minus 1 and divided by this thing, multiplied by 64 by pi square. So we simplify this whole thing and it can calculate its value, and this value comes out to be 3.7. You can check with the calculator. Okay, so what does it mean? That the slope of this curve at this particular point is given by 3.7. But we need to find the equation of a straight line which is normal to the curve. So the equation, the slope of a straight line is going to be the negative reciprocal of this thing. So slope of line is going to be negative 1 over 3.7. I hope it's clear. So this comes out to be minus 0.27. Okay, now we know the slope of our required line and we know that it is passing through this particular point. So we have everything to find the equation of the straight line. So that equation is going to be y minus y1, which is 8 over pi, equals m, which is slope, minus 0.27 into x minus x1, just pi by 8. So if I rearrange this equation a little bit, this is going to be y equals minus 0.27 and minus 1 plus 0.27 pi by 8, and it comes here plus 8 over pi. So this simplifies to be minus 0.27 plus, and this whole thing is simplified as 2.65. 2.65. So this is the equation of the straight line, which is our final answer. Okay, just to understand this whole thing a little bit, let me give you another idea. Oh my God, this is a graph I want to explain. Oh. Okay, I hope you can see this thing. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. Okay, let me explain it over here. You see, this purple curve, this is the equation of our thing. Let me write it again. How can I write it? Yes, this is the equation of y equals tangent 2x over x, right? This is that curve. And this is the point which is pi by 8 and 8 by pi. So we are asked to find the equation of the normal which is passing through this point. Okay, so first we find that the tangent line at this curve at this point is this one. This green line is the tangent to the curve at this particular point, and its slope was, we found the slope as 3.7. Yes. Okay, so the slope of this line is 3.7. So from this slope, we calculated the slope of this line, which was minus 1 over 3.7, and it came out to be 0.27. And from this slope and this point, we find the equation of this line. So this line is the our final answer. You see, this is the equation of this straight line. Okay, hope it is clear. If you have any question, you can always ask me in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.